Welcome to our latest update to KUNOMAIL. An exciting new feature is now available, the integration of ChatGPT. You now have the option of relying on the support of a powerful AI when composing emails. Whether you need help with text, are looking for creative ideas for your subject line, or simply want to communicate faster and more efficiently, ChatGPT is now integrated directly into KUNOMAIL to make your everyday life easier. In this video, we show you how easy it is to use ChatGPT in KUNOMAIL. Have you ever spent a lot of time writing emails? Perhaps you weren't sure how best to express your thoughts. With the new ChatGPT integration in KUNOMAIL, writing emails is now child's play. It's easy. Click the ChatGPT button and you can enter a request. For example, write me a polite email thanking my friend for his help. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a well-written and professional email for you. Don't worry, it will automatically be written in the correct language and tone, quickly, politely, and clearly. And the best part, with just one click, you can copy the generated text directly into your email. If the text isn't 100% perfect, you can simply request a new version, also with just one click. This way, you'll always find the perfect wording for your message. You can easily customize the text to make it more personal. Design your greeting cards with ease thanks to ChatGPT in KUNOMAIL. Simply click the ChatGPT button and enter a short request. For example, write me a short friendly text thanking my friend for his help. In just a few seconds, you'll receive a lovingly worded message that fits perfectly into your greeting card. You no longer have to worry about wording. ChatGPT ensures the tone remains friendly, warm, and appropriate. And the best part, you can instruct ChatGPT to keep the message short and concise so it fits perfectly into your greeting card. If the text isn't quite right, you can request a new version with just one click, quickly and easily. This way, you can easily personalize your greeting cards while focusing on what's important, the joy you want to bring to the recipient. You can now chat directly with ChatGPT. Do you have a question? Are you looking for an answer? Or need help with a specific topic? Or are you stuck on a crossword puzzle? Then simply ask ChatGPT directly in KUNOMAIL. Simply click the ChatGPT button and enter a short query. You'll receive a precise answer in just a few seconds. With just one click, you can start the conversation and get the information you need in a flash. Simple, fast, and available anytime. We hope the new ChatGPT feature makes your email communication easier. Try it now and discover how easy and fast you can compose emails. Have fun trying it out and good luck with your next email.